Good morning, students. So welcome back. Yesterday we have seen exercise 10.1, question 1 and question 2, and two examples of question 2 I have given them as homework. Now question third, for each given solid, identify the top view, front view and side view. So I am solving B and D. So I have drawn the figures of B. You can see here. So I have got, it looks like this, okay. So I am keeping it like this as it is in the figure, okay. So this is the top view, right, and this is the side. So from side when you look, these are the two, okay. See, these are two, and when I see from top, it is this view, okay. This is the top view and this is the front view. So front view 1, 2 and 3. So like this, suppose if I say this is 3. So this is the front view. For B, this is the front view. So all three are in a line. You can see 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is the top view. Okay, and this is the side view. Okay, so here, which can be the views we have to decide. So 2, side view, right? You are supposed to write which view it is. Now this, which view I said? Say front view, right? So this is front view and this is the top view. Okay, now see D1. In D it is like this, okay. Now in D, this is the top view. So how many you can see? 1, 2, 3. Now this becomes the top view, okay. This is the side view. How many? 2. And this is the front view. So how many? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. This is the front view, okay. So see here, this is the front view. This becomes the top view and this is the side view. So same way, try to solve A, C and E examples of question number 3. Now let's move to question number 4. Now see question number 4. Draw the front view, side view and top view of the given objects. So I am going to take from them A, C and E. I have taken A, that is a military tent, okay. So front view, this is the front view. So how I am going to draw? Simply like this, okay. So front view. Side view, how I can draw is this. This is the side view, okay. And top view. So top view, so this is the top view, okay. So this will be the top view. Now for this, so this is the front view, right? So it will be like this. This is front view, okay. Then side view. Side view is simply like this, okay. And top view. This is the top view. Now for dice, front view. Side view. So front view, side view, top view. So same way, try to solve for remaining 3 as homework. Okay. Same is the case with the question 3rd. The examples I have not solved, you will solve them as homework. Okay. Now next part we are moving to is mapping space around us. Now drawing maps. You have studied from 3rd or 4th standard. You have located some regions in it. You have located cities, or you have located the capitals, or you have located some important places. Okay, that you have done right from 3rd, 4th standard. We have learned how to draw the maps. We know what is the use of maps and how maps they help us. Okay, now maps actually help us to locate a particular place or to know the boundaries of a particular region, or it also tells us about the weather forecasts, or it also tells us different types of crops grown in different regions. Okay, that is what the benefit of maps. What maps do, they try to, or why maps we use? Maps, we just locate the particular object, position of the particular object with respect to the other objects. When we are drawing a picture, so what is the difference between drawing and mapping? So in case of drawing, what we do, we try to draw each and every minute notification in it. We draw a painting, we draw a picture with careful planning, with careful observation, and we try to draw with all the possible details. And in map, we just try to locate that object with respect to the other object. And hence, what we can say is that suppose if this is the figure, see here, you can see, now I have not drawn this figure on the board, it will take a time. Okay, now you can see each and every detail is given in this. This is a picture, but in this, a particular symbol, a sign has been drawn for an object. Okay, and locations of that objects have been shown. So what we can say is perspective is very important for drawing a picture, but it is not relevant for a map. Details of the picture are not required for the map. Map, when we are drawing, what is required? Only the location of that particular object with respect to the other object. That is what most important. Okay. Now, I am going to draw a particular map. For example, a specific map drawn by one of our schoolmates. Master Ayush Khedekar has drawn map from his house to the school. Okay, let us see. Now this is the map drawn by Master Ayush Khedekar. Okay, now see, this is his house, this is his school, and this is his sister's school. But then too, do we get clear idea whose school is far? Or at how much distance is Ayush school is from his house? We can't. Then what these circles they represent? Are they roundabouts? Don't know. No clear specification. Nothing. Then these distances, these lines which are drawn, are they appropriate to the lens? Means smaller distances are shown by smaller lines, bigger distances are shown by bigger lines. Can't say. Okay, so we don't know anything about this, and hence, can you answer such types of question? How far is Ayush school from his house? Nothing is given, so you cannot, right? Or suppose, would every circle in the map depict a roundabout? Is it a roundabout? No. Now this cannot be roundabout. Here he has said, this is my school, my sister's school. So the symbols are not appropriate. That's what it means. Okay. So what I want to say, that when I am mapping, the distances have to be appropriate. Means smaller distances, they should be shown by smaller lines. While bigger distances, they should be shown by bigger lines. And they should be properly noted down. Means, for example, a proper scale has to be selected. That is, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, or 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers, or so on. As per your need, you have to decide the scale and then you have to write. Secondly, proper symbols have to be chosen. Means houses, I am going to show by squares. Hospitals, I am going to show by plus sign. Okay. Such types of symbols I have to select, and so that there is difference in the symbols. Now here you can see there are many circles. How I can decide what is what? So this map is not appropriate. On the other hand, his sister Disha has drawn the map. Let us see. Now this is the map drawn by Disha. Okay. Now, so here is their house, okay, and they start from here. So this distance is half kilometer, you can see clearly. Now, these symbols, they stand for houses. This is a post office, and these are shops. This is a petrol pump. This is hospital. Now, symbols index, I have not drawn here, actually she has shown. Okay, so in your textbook you can see that. And these are the schools. Okay, now see, this is half kilometer and this is 1/4 kilometer. So, clear idea of the distances can be known. And secondly, see here, smaller lines, they show small distances. Longer lines, they show longer distances. That is what most important. Now, from this I can clearly know whose school is far away, Disha's or Ayush. You can decide. So, Disha's school, this is Ayush's school. Okay, so this is half kilometer, 1 kilometer, half kilometer. So total 2 kilometers. On the other hand, see here this 1.5 plus 1/4. Okay, so it will come out to be 1 kilometer or 1 integers 3/4 something it will come. Okay, so whose school is far away? Definitely Ayush's school is far away. Do you get it? And so clear idea can be known from here. We can come to know clearly. We can get clear idea from the map. Okay. Now, what are the important landmarks on the route? You can get it. What are they? Post office is there. Then petrol pump is there. 2 shops are there. Then there is a hospital in the road. On the road, okay, then a pond, this is a pond, okay. So such types of landmarks you can easily identify. So that is what the importance of map is, okay. Moreover, so you get few characteristics. One thing you should note, that distances are to be appropriately shown by lines. And for that, as I have said, you have to choose the proper scale. Okay, smaller distances should be shown by smaller lines, bigger distances should be shown by bigger lines. And hence, initially the scale has to be fixed. And this scale for a particular map should be constant. It should not change in that given map. It can change from map to map. In different map, if suppose I am drawing another map, I can change the scale. But for the same map, in this map, it should be same. Or for a given particular map, the scale has to be fixed. It cannot be changed in the same map. Okay, otherwise you cannot get a clear idea. And hence it is important that your scale has to be unique. Okay, then one more thing. For example, if you are considering map of Delhi or map of Mumbai, for our region. And if I am considering map of India, so there 1 centimeter is equal to how many kilometers will definitely vary. Why? Because I am studying only Mumbai. So definitely there 1 kilometer, 1 centimeter will be very small distance. Means for example 1 centimeter is equal to 15 kilometers or 10 kilometers, we can say 10 kilometers. Okay. But when I am considering India, there it may be 1 kilometer is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers, because I am considering large area there. Okay, and accordingly the scale will change. So depending upon the distances or depending upon the area, the scale of the map is decided. Okay, so from that there are few characteristics which we need to know related to the map. First thing, a map depicts, that means it tells us a particular location of a particular place or object in relation to the other objects or other places. Second, symbols are used to depict different types of places or objects. Means we use symbols, hospital, petrol pump, then your post office, houses, pond, different types of symbols are used. So there are different symbols are used. Then third, there is no reference or perspective in map. As I have said, means in picture we show closer trees, they are shown bigger, and the far away trees, they are shown smaller in size. That does not happen in map. Do you get it? They are all of same size. So there is no perspective. Then last, maps use a scale which is fixed in a particular, for a particular map. So the scale has to be fixed, as I have said, and it reduces the real distances proportionately to distances on the paper. Okay, that's what I have said. Proper scale has to be fixed, and accordingly the distances are to be taken. Means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers or 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers, depending upon the size of the map. Okay, now so from that let us go for this, do this. Okay, now for that, do this, look at the following map of a city. It is figure 10.5. okay, and in that what I will do, I will draw that map on the board, and then I will read the questions and I will try to solve the answers. Okay, so let us do that. Now see here, I have drawn the map of page number 162, do this. You don't draw that map in your notebook, you just color it as it has been said. Okay, see here, A, color the map as follows: blue, water; red, fire station; orange, library; yellow, schools, means both primary as well as senior secondary; green, parks; pink, community center; purple, hospital; and brown, cemetery. So accordingly you will color this. Okay, now this can be asked for drawing also. So if you better, but you paint it or you color it in your textbook itself. Okay, now see second question. Mark a green X at the intersection of 2nd Street and Denham Street. Okay, now this is Denham Street here. Right? Now, intersection of 2nd Street and Denham Street. So this is 1st Street, 2nd Street, 3rd Street, 4th Street. So this is 2nd Street and this is Denham Street. So here is the intersection. So you have to mark it with X. So I am marking here. Okay, I have marked it here with X. Same way you will do it in your textbook. Okay, then a black Y where the river meets the 3rd Street. Now this is the 3rd Street. Now river meets here. Okay, So here it is black Y. Now I have got only one color. So I hope you will understand. Okay. So river meets the 3rd street. Then next question. A red Z at the intersection of Main Street and 1st Street. Now this is the Main Street and this is the 1st Street. So here Z. Okay. So I have marked it X, Y and Z. So in that way you are supposed to also mark it in that map. Okay. Now see question number C. In magenta color, draw a short street route from the college to the lake. Now, college यानी here it is. This is the college. Okay. Now from college to lake. Where is lake? Here is lake. Okay. So which route is shortest? Okay. So magenta color you have to use. For example, suppose I go from 2nd Street. I start from here. 2nd Street. Then I go to Main Street. And then I come here. Okay. So I have shown by arrow. So this is the college. I am showing it by arrow. Okay. So this is the college and from college I can go it here. Okay. So this is the shortest possible route to go to lake. Okay. So in this way, dear students, you will do it in your textbook itself. Okay. Or you can draw it in your notebook if you are interested. But I don't force it. Do it in your textbook itself. Will do. Now see the second question. Second question you need to draw. You have to draw a map of the route from your house to your school showing important landmarks. Now that you do it of your own. Okay. And see whether how much exact you are there and see how much important landmarks you remember. Okay. And try to show them. Now you have got the idea how to show it. Okay. So accordingly try to show the map. Now it doesn't mean that here as it is shown the same type of map you have to draw. Maps, they may change from person to person. So try to do that. Okay. And so dear students, let us stop here. Now I'll write the homework here. What is today's homework? Okay. Exercise 10.1, question 3. A, C and E. And question 4. B, D, F. And do this page number 160, 161. Now this all you have to do, even though I have shown it. Okay. So I have put it as homework. Question 1 and question 2. Question 1 and question 2. Dear students, I know this is somewhat lengthy topic. Lengthy means it's not so lengthy, but you have to draw many figures and all that. So definitely it will brush up your drawing experience. Okay. And brush up your drawing skills actually. And so your knowledge related to drawing will also increase, as well as map, how to draw the maps. That will develop your interest, and you can draw various types of maps other than this, not related to the textbook matter. Okay. So definitely if you have got interest, you can start drawing the maps and you will be one of the experts in drawing the maps. Okay. But as I have said, follow some of the basics as we have discussed them, and then you can be the expert in drawing the maps. So let us stop here today, and we'll meet in the next period. So till then, goodbye. Thank you.